We're at Plato's now. Plato's now. Plato's now. Okay, so we're gonna look around. I have a few. Oh, that's a cute bag up there. That teeny one. Might make like a really cute gym bag. But yeah, we're gonna go look through all this, and hopefully we find something. I'm kind of torn up whether I want to get this mat and that bag. It has like the long chain, and it has like it's in like awesome condition, like this faux fur. $18 is actually not a bad price. But I know, I've only really sold it on my Depop, but I've never sold it like locally, and that's where I plan on putting it, is locally. So I don't know, but it's really cute. So I got this Marc by Marc Jacobs for $16. That's a really good deal. Especially if I probably flip it for 30 to 40, I guess. Totally think. They know my number, they just have to transfer. Oh, I know. Yeah, it's okay. Weird, because I texted from that number. But she knows, she should know the number. I told her, like, hey. Okay, guys, we are at Winners on Regent. Ooh, Chinese food at Footy Goody. I haven't had Footy Goody for a long time, and I've never been to this location ever. But if you're from Winnipeg, you probably remember the commercial, Footy Goody, can we? Anyway, I found some good stuff at the other Winners, so we're going to try and see if we find anything here. Hopefully we do. Hopefully we do. I swear, if they have Longchamp here, oh yeah, this Kate Spade. This is $179. Kind of expensive, and it's all scuffed. Like, why would you want a scuffed bag? No bueno. Oh, this is all clearance. Is Kipling on clearance? I don't know. This is a nice backpack. It's very like soft and luxurious. It's by a brand called Margot. I've never heard of that brand before. It's empty, so what is still the best shot of it? Pro Beyond Twisted Lash, $12.99. They have a bunch of those. And they have this Ole Henriksen kit. It's $19.99. And they have the Glam Glow for $46. Don't see much of anything really. Okay guys, so we're just coming from Winners and we found nothing. So I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you for coming with me. Sorry for the ratchet hair. Okay guys, so we're done thrifting. We found nothing thrifting, but we did find some stuff at Winners. But yeah, that's that. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, I just don't have anything else to do. It's late and all the thrift stores are gonna close soon. We went to 3 Value Villages. Maybe if we have time, I'll stop by the one in my house. But I mean, what's the point? We've been there like every single day the past couple days, and we don't find anything. But that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes there might be something that they put up, but the weekend actually don't really put anything out on the weekends. So yeah, maybe you won't go by there. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, subscribing, and I don't really have any rants lately. I know you guys like my rants sometimes, but I'm just busy working on myself, trying to better myself, as you guys know. And yeah, so summer's coming up, so I'm kind of like on this, you know, grill of working out and eating healthy, because yeah, I don't want to spend another summer being at home wearing this thing, because this is my summer, this is my winter. I want to wear something cute, you know, something colorful, not always just black, because I'm a colorful hoe, okay? Just got my nails done. That's what they look like. Aren't they cool? Apparently it's like a new thing that they're doing there. Here at Dollarama. Just need to buy some stuff. Okay, this aisle is so freaking depressing. Like, do I want to be reminded I have nobody? Like, if I had a guy to just buy me this, I would treasure it forever. But no, I have no Valentine man. No unwrapping of the dick. Forgot what I'm here for. Ooh, these are cute stickers. That's cute for home decor. I'm just getting some vlog footage for you guys. That would be cool in a bar cart. And air fresheners. Oh, here's the air freshener. Oh, we need like 3 of these. We don't have the Lysol things that you stick in the bowl. I don't have any. Ooh, they even have Cheerios. Let's go in this aisle.
What else? Get more of that.
I wonder if they sell vitamin C here. I actually need a brush for my bag, just a small one. Anyway guys, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for coming with me as usual. Ooh, and I need a shower cap. Oh, do I need a shower cap? No, I don't need a shower cap. Yeah, I think, bye guys. Okay, I want to show you guys more of my nails. Look at that. It has like that built-in like reflective shine. I thought it was kind of cool. I don't know, it's different. I usually like bright, light colors, but yeah, I thought I'd do something different. It's still kind of gloomy and snowy, as you can tell. I'm just coming from the nail place right now. But yeah, I was gonna go with black. I just thought it was too dark. I just wanted something that's semi-light, you know. So, oh, ew, there's like a pube on my freaking nail. Gross. Anyway, I'm gonna go get sushi and wallow in a cesspool of self-pity. Because I'm just feeling the negative Nancy. No, I'm just kidding. No. I'm just kidding. I'm not negative Nancy. Anyway, yeah. I just want to share with you my nails. Got them done. No. I may be a fat hoe, but at least my nails look pretty. My nails look right. My hair looked ratchet though. Okay guys, so yeah. Bye. This is a kind of cute bag, but I don't know if it would sell though. But for $8, it's not that bad of a price. And I knew it. Someone took the keychain out. Remember how I told you? Oh no, the keychain's still here. Ah. $5.99 though? That actually might work. Well, might get it. Maybe I can fix this myself. I don't know. It's kind of cute though. If anything, I'll just get it for the keychain. Look on this side. This 9 West. Go look in the toy section. I have TNA for $5. Too much wear on it. Kind of cute. We're gonna go look over here now. I wonder if I can like just peel this all off and then I don't see any Longchamp here. So oh, it's so bare here. Nothing really to... Oh, I have another Burberry. I just bought one of these, the Fresh Glow. Oh, they have a Givenchy. Have that already. Bobbi Brown eye color palettes. The colors are kind of blah. Neutral but blah. Oh, they have a MAC technical liner for $10. But it's in like this gray color. Not really. It does eyeliner in gray anyway. They have another one of these. This is such a really good deal for $60. You get like that. Let's see what they have on sale. Oscar Rollerball, Bliss. Nothing really interesting. A bunch of good vegetarian options too for like TV dinners, but I think they're high on calories. I'm gonna check out the brown rice vegetable one. They have this veggie tuna, which is like veggie tuna. It has 100 calories per 56 grams, so like that's way more calories than regular tuna. Chili, 280 calories for